We all know that every time Elon Musk tweets something about Dogecoin, the price of Dogecoin just goes up every single time. So guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get some free Dogecoin without spending any single dime, any single money. So if you are new, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss again any video. So because this is free, but at the same time you're gonna spend a little bit of your time. Just see this example right here, right? This is the bot that we're going to use. This is the bot called Doge Click Bot. Use the link in the description so that you can also start using the same bot, which is very easy. As you may see, this is all my balance, previous balance as me, and I withdrew. I took some money and I put it in my wallet, Dogecoin wallet. Per day you can get at least like 3 or 4 Dogecoin easily. Okay, easily. I'm going to show you also the address, the wallet that I'm using to get this amount of money. So you just click here on the menu. In the menu you will see your balance, your withdrawals. If you want it, click here menu, right? And then after menu you will see visit sites. It's all about like visit sites. You go to websites. Some people think that it doesn't work. It really depends. Some bots is working, others are not working. But please be careful. Do not send any money just to withdraw some single coins. Okay, any coins. Doesn't matter which bots. If the bot is free, do not send any money or crypto to withdraw your balance. Okay, so do not do that. I repeat, do not do that. So for instance, this one you just need to wait a few seconds, 10 seconds, 20, sometimes 30 seconds, and then as you may see right now we earn this 0.0417 Doge. So you can continue doing that. Let's say again, right, you do that. It may take you like 30 or 45 minutes, okay, just to get this 3 or maybe 4 Dogecoin. And when you get this 3 or 4 Dogecoin, then you will be able to withdraw this amount of Dogecoin to your wallet. So if you don't have the wallet, I'm going to show you as well how you can get this wallet for free without any problem, which is all free, all free. So as you may see right here, we get this we got this 0.0307, and so you can continue. Basically it's almost the same. I don't want to continue doing this because it's like something that you already got the point. It's all just click visit site, visit site, visit site, visit site. It's all very easy, and then we can check our balance. For instance, our balance right now is at is processing. This is our balance. Okay, our balance is 0.0808. But if you keep going, you're gonna get like 2, 3, and then 4. Maybe it can take you 2 days to get the 4 or to 5. And then when you click here to withdraw, you will see that your minimum to withdraw is 2 Doge. It means that you need to continue until you reach these 2 Doge, and then you will see that it's possible to withdraw. And then they will ask you to put your wallet. Let me show you the example right here. Just a minute. Or as you see, when I was trying to withdraw this 4 Doge, they asked me to put my address and then and select the amount. I select the amount 4.11, and then they ask me if I'm sure that I want to send this Doge to this wallet, and then I confirmed. And as you may see, this is the withdrawals was already processed. So as you may see that it's all very easy and very simple as well. So let me show you where all these Dogecoin landed. As you may see, let me go to history first to show you that I have many as you may see here, all these I withdraw 4, and then another day 5, 4, 5, 5. It's all very easy, and all went to almost the same wallet. Sometimes I change the wallets, the address, and so on. Let me show you first where is my wallet so that I can show you. Okay, this is like the wallet that I normally use when I want to withdraw free money, right? So the main problem is like this one will not work well. I need, because I'm recording my screen and this wallet doesn't accept screen recording. It's kind of, you guys know already. So by the way, you may see that. Let me just open my camera. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Again, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because I'm about to come with another videos. And if you also have money to invest in Dogecoin, like let's say like $10 or 15 or 20, something like very small, you can also use the link in the description to start with crypto.com app, and then you can just manage. And I'm about to upload another video about crypto.com and help you out, guys, to invest in cryptocurrencies. And this is it, and I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.